Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Aryan Rajesh. I'm just testing out my audio options. I've set up a new mic system. Earlier it was exposed to the air and stuff. It was near my mouth exactly. So if I breathe also, you guys could hear. So now I have put it a bit back so that you guys will get clear audio if I hit some high speeds and all. I'm just doing I have some work. I have to get some number plate work done, so I'm going to Marathodi again, Bikers Lab. So I thought I'll test out the audio options also, if the audio is right or wrong. Since we have quick shifter in this bike, it is damn easy to ride it through traffics. See, we can change the gears like within seconds. You need not hold the clutch, do all that funda. Just tap on the gear lever for 2 times or 1 time, whatever is it. I thought of making a separate video on quick shifter, but there are already many videos in YouTube. Back of me there is one Dominar guy who is like I think he wants to race with his bike. See this, aha, dumb people, man. See, that's how easy it is to ride this bike in traffic with the quick shifter. If there is no traffic, right, if I am lucky, I can enjoy those curves. I can lean the bike. We'll see if I'm lucky or not today. Oh, it's damn hot. No, we are not lucky today. So this is the curve I was mentioning. It is long, it has that good angle, bank angle. Come on boys, what's up? I hope the audio is coming out properly without any disturbances. Last time in my off-road video there was some issue with the I spoke a lot about the stuff and about the off-road experience, but I couldn't put it in the video because audio was not good. So but I didn't miss out on anything. Whatever tips and tricks they gave, the basic stuff is on the video. You can go check out that video on my channel Aryan Rajesh. You have to be very careful. There will be sharp stones here. So what I do is I always stand up and ride. But now since the traffic is more, I don't want to stand up and do all that circus. And they'll see what this guy is doing. See this guy. Good. In one of my videos, someone was asking what camera I'm using. So I'm using GoPro Hero 5 Black. This is like 2 years old camera I've been using. I didn't put it to the full usage of this because I didn't had a proper bike to tour and all. But at least in my Apache I did one of the rides, Kukke Subramania and Mangalore, and then back to Mysore and then Bangalore. I did that ride. Even those videos you guys can see that. So that time I didn't had GoPro adapter and also to speak like this, because I thought GoPro's inbuilt audio system would record. It is recording good, but there is a lot of wind blast which is also coming because it is exposed, camera is exposed. So then I realized that without GoPro audio it won't be good. Content should be good. If the audio is not proper, then how good your video is, it doesn't matter. If you are shooting at 720p, 1 minute. Yeah. If you are shooting at 720p also, your audio should be proper. And if you are shooting at 2K resolution and your audio is not good, then people won't see. Audio is what which keeps the viewers connected to the video. I'm meeting one of my friend. He also owns a ADV 390 white one, Harish. So I'll meet him. He has a Benelli also, TNT 300. I wanted to see that, so I invited. You can come over and you can see the bike, ride it. Suspension is too good, man. Okay. Suspension is too good. ಬೇಕು ಈ ಥರ ಸಸ್ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಕು ಟೂರಿಂಗ್. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಮ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ, ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತಾ? Man, the Benelli sound is so amazing, man. Twin cylinders, it's so smooth. The sound itself is damn good. It feels short after riding ADV. I think there is. See that sound, how it is. This is my first time I'm riding Benelli and twin. Okay, I rode Interceptor also, so man, the sound is superb, man. And the suspension, oh my god, it's so soft suspension. It is so damn good. Thanks, Harish, for giving me for a round. Let's take it for a longer distance. After riding ADV, this feels so small. What Harish said is after 7k RPM this flies, it seems. So he said to be careful. At first the initial torque is not that much. Okay, now I can feel the power in it. Awesome, man, just awesome. You can aram se ride this bike in cities, guys. You see, post 7k, post 6 exactly, it is pulling. One thing which got excited me was the suspension and the exhaust note. Of course, Benelli is known for exhaust notes. See, it is doing 100 effortlessly because it's a twin 38 bhp. I think around 20-ish torque, I guess. I'm not sure. You can listen to that exhaust note and ride all the day. But initial, you won't get the pickup like how we get in KTM bikes. It is smooth. It is linear. Post 6k RPM it picks up. Awesome. It is so damn smooth. Suspension is like a sofa, like it is so cushionish. It is like a cushion. We'll take a U-turn and go back. Nice bike actually. I just came to ride this bike. I'll give an exhaust note somewhere here. I'll just stop. I'll stop here and give you guys an exhaust note. It looks so tiny for me now. After riding Adventure, see that sound? Awesome, right? Even the new Benelli TRK 502, the ADV bike, the big one, even that sound is damn good. I think one of the best sounding ADV machines in the market. Second gear, third post, fourth gear, you get good torque. See? Everyone will turn and see your bike. Nice, man, nice. It does 100, 110 aram se easy. One thing I would like is a big handlebar, like a more wider one. This is very short. Awesome bike. So this has clocked around 13,395 kilometers. Very well maintained bike. I can see that. Oh my god, the suspension is good, yaar. Seriously, we should have this kind of suspension on our bikes. ADV 390s. But this is made for road basis. Ours is made for off-road. And also it is a bit stiff, but this is so damn smooth. See the torque kicking in. It is not, the torque band is not too good, but it is more than sufficient. Everyone, literally everyone is seeing this bike. Can easily flick around in city traffic like this. Or awesome, man, awesome. This bike is too good. Now the thing, okay, there is a U-turn here. If there is provision, right? So if there is any chance of getting this bike in future, I will definitely take it for a long distance. Awesome. You should know how to ride it. It is so damn smooth, man. The gear shifts are so damn smooth. But this doesn't have ABS or any of those tech. It is like kind of basic. You just can buy this bike only for the sound, exhaust note. Yeah, I can understand. What is exhaust motor? What exhaust? Sir, exhaust not.
Many people buy only for the exhaust.
Only for the exhaust not, seriously.
Because police is coming in stock exhaust.
Yeah.
And according to RTU, DC should be under 80 decibels.
Yes.
This is exactly 79.
79, huh? But suspension, sir.
Suspension you can still make it soft.
Softer. Oh.
And also hard. Tight ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ full
Okay.
ಘಾಟ್ section ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ
ಹ್ಮ್.
ಅದರ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಲ್ಲ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ.
Okay, mostly cornerings ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ.
ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾರ್ಡ್
Hmm. But it is so easy to shift that, right?
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೈವೇಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
Awesome.
ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಒಂದು ರಿಬೌಂಡ್ ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Okay. ಯಾವುದಿದು ಸಸ್ಪೆನ್ಷನ್? ವಿತ್ ಸಸ್ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇದು?
It's all Benelli. They have their even brakes also Benelli.
Okay. Nice. Usually Showa, I mean Kawasaki mainly goes with Showa suspension. I thought even these people are, but I think they have stock.
All there.
But setup is very good. I went till that mall is there, no? Ring Road. I went there, took a U-turn and came. But post fourth gear, third to 3 to 4, the torque is good. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹಿಡಿಯುತ್ತೆ. 7 ಮೇಲೆ 1 2 ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಫ್ರಮ್ 3 ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪುಲ್. ಇಟ್ ವೋಂಟ್ ಪುಲ್ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇನ್ ಟೂರಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಫನ್. ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲಿಸನ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಡೇ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಸಿಟ್.
ಟೂರಿಂಗ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಬಂದಾಗ 4 ಡೌನ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ
ನೈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಗೇರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಕೂಡ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಮೂತ್.
ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ರೋಡ್ ಹೊಡಿತಾರಲ್ಲ ಮುಳ್ಳಿಗಿನ್ನೂ ಇದ್ರೆ
ಬಟ್ ನೈಸ್. It's been a long day today. So after I rode Benelli, I came to the shop in Marathalli Bikers Lab. I had to get few things done. I had to put the number plate frame, and I had to black this out, my windshield. I had small work to be done. Everything is done now. I'm headed home back. It's a short and fun vlog actually, nothing much. So I'll see you guys in the next vlogs with more content. Till then, please subscribe, like and share if you like the video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.